Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Uniden 2-line cordless telephone, 900 megahertz. And this is Tom's equipment from Kentucky. And this is the initial checkout of this cordless telephone. Now these were really good units and people really liked them, and Tom is having an issue with this unit. We have a note and he's talking about there's buzzing in the background when you're listening and when you're talking. We have troubleshooted this unit some and we have not experienced any buzzing, but when we connected this unit up, we had very little receive. So we know the receiver capsule has been damaged at some point and it will need to be replaced. We also want to troubleshoot for any further issues that might be causing a buzzing effect. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool cordless telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair and troubleshooting of this really cool cordless telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention that the receiver capsule was replaced. We also resoldered some of the main PC board for the handset. We did find some corrosion on the solder side of the battery plug for the handset. That corrosion was taken care of. We also want to mention that we have an audio amplifier connected to the line so that we can monitor the audio during our final checkout. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a couple times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to turn our amplifier on so that we can monitor the line. We're going to dial a 2 to cause dial tone to go away. And we want to listen for any type of humming or buzzing noise. We'll dial a 6, a 2. We're going to hang up, give you dial tone one more time, dial a 2, and we'll go ahead and monitor the line for a little while. And we'll go ahead and hang our unit up. Now what we want to do is go ahead and give you some dial tone. And if you watch the analyzer, we're going to walk through our numbers. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We want to go ahead and hang our unit up. We're going to go ahead and give you some dial tone. We'll dial a 2 and we'll monitor the line again. I'm not experiencing any buzzing or humming at this point. Dial a 6, another 2. We'll go ahead and hang our unit up. Now what we want to do is go ahead and use the speakerphone. We dialed a 2 so that we can monitor the speakerphone for any humming or buzzing. We'll try that one more time. Give you some dial tone. We'll go ahead and hang up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on our ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. Our speakerphone is working. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Monday, June 10th. The current time, 1:27 p.m. and the temperature, 72 degrees.
Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now what we can do is go ahead and push this button on the switch box. We'll go back to the analyzer and we will check our handset one more time. We'll give you some dial tone. Dial a 2. And we'll monitor the line for a little bit. Dial a 6. Another 2. We'll hang our unit up. We'll bring dial tone back. And we'll go ahead and hang the unit up. Now that we know that this unit has been troubleshooted and repaired, we can return it to Tom and he can enjoy this really cool 2-line cordless telephone. Now, we also checked out line 2 and there was no issue. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.